What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I would like to trade live, but we will see if the market will gonna provide me with the trade. So I'm gonna explain very simple my trading strategy. Everybody knows I'm a break and retest strategy trader, so it's not very some fancy crazy smart money or some stuff like that. I just tryna play the probabilities. Yeah, so let me just see real quick. If the price action I just gonna tell you what I'm gonna expect from the market. If it does not, I just gonna skip the day and I won't take a trade. Maybe later on, if something will set up, then I might will gonna take it, but for now I'm looking at this one. So basically we see here huge consolidation, and he was breaking to the upside, breaking to the downside, tried to break to the upside, couldn't, trying to break to the downside, couldn't, break to the upside, and now break to the downside, but is being very impulsive. Yeah, the 100 and 200 EMAs are above. Yeah, so we got beautiful break. Right now I'm expecting a retest into the zone because we had here a rejection, so I'm expecting kind of like double top or something like that. So I would like the price action to come here into this EMA, because here it wasn't attached, so I thought it's gonna come to the upper EMA. It did not, and sorry about that, it did not, and just rejected. So I'm like, I just have to wait again. If the price action we're gonna get here, I'm gonna expect to see some sort of bearish momentum. If the price we're gonna come here, it's very simple trade. I just gonna open a trade right here, and I'm gonna put my stop loss something like that. Yeah, and I'm gonna target in this one, which is 1-to-1. It's very simple. It's very simple. Yeah, and what we could do, sorry guys about that, I took out my job when my job just gets annoying, and I'm gonna expect the price action to show me some bearishness, and I'm gonna take a 1-to-1. If just in case the price action from here will gonna start moving to the upside, yeah, I'm gonna take from here one more sell, and I'm gonna pull my stop loss also above this price action. It's very simple content, and I'm gonna enter right here. I don't know how everything was gonna play out, but this is kind of my management plan or something like that. And from here I might gonna be able to take like 265 RR, and here 1-to-1, so it's like 365 RR total. Yeah, it's very beautiful. It's not some crazy stuff, but then again, we don't forget, sometimes the price action can come here and no reject, but it could come even to this lane, sorry, to this zone. If the price action we're gonna get to this zone and will give just a small pullback, I might won't take any trades, but I'm gonna wait for beautiful candle to present, and then I'm gonna take a sell from here. Something like that is gonna happen, and most likely I'm gonna pull my stop loss above to have like a little bit breathing room. Yeah, and oops, something like that. And if just in case the price action will gonna come back here to retest to make a double top, I'm still gonna enter here one more trade. So that's my plan for today. We'll see if something will appear. If not, if the price action does not represent itself any sort of expectation of mine, I just won't take any trade. So yeah, I will keep you posted, guys. Yeah, guys, you see, sometime it happened those days. Yeah, it almost came to my entry point, but at one point the price action just reversed and went straight down to my TP. Basically, on my idea I was right, but unfortunately it didn't represent myself the entry point, so unfortunately I'm gonna stay away. We will see, maybe today is gonna happen one more setup. If not, then I'm just gonna stay away, come back tomorrow, and we'll see, maybe tomorrow something will pop up. But if not, then we will move forward and stay patient. That's the way how you're gonna get profitable. That's it for this video, guys. Peace and love. Leave a comment down below, like, subscribe obviously if you wanna, and see you guys on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.